Artisanal cheese and honey, nature's perfect harmony. Artisanal cheese and honey, nature's perfect harmony. In a world where processed food and mass production dominate the market, there arises a longing for something more authentic, something crafted with passion and care. Enter artisanal cheese and honey. Two culinary delights that exemplify the perfect harmony of nature's bounty. These handcrafted products not only tantalize our taste buds but also offer a glimpse into the artistry and craftsmanship. IP that has been passed down through generations. Artisanal cheese is a true testament to the age-old process of cheese making. Unlike mass-produced cheese, which often lacks character and depth, artisanal cheese is painstakingly crafted using traditional methods that have been honed over centuries. The result is a product bursting with flavor and complexity. Each willow cheese is a unique expression of the terroir and the skill of the cheese maker. Much like artisanal cheese, honey produced by small-scale beekeepers offers a rich and distinctive flavor profile that is a far cry from the generic sweetness found in most commercial honeys. Beekeepers maintain a deep respect for the bees and their environment, resulting in a high-quality product that is rich in nutrients and free from additives or artificial flavors. What sets artisanal cheese and honey apart is not just the way they are made but also the strong connection they share with the environment. The cheese and honey are truly a product of their surroundings. The flavors in artisanal cheese are influenced by the plants and herbs the cows or goats graze upon, while the flavor of honey is shaped by the nectar obtained from the local flora. The partnership between cheese and honey is an exquisite symphony of flavors. The versatility of cheese allows it to be paired with an array of honey varieties, creating a range of taste experiences. Sharp, aged cheeses are beautifully complemented by the sweetness of floral honeys, while creamy, soft cheeses find balance with the boldness of darker honeys. In this harmonious union, the cheese pea provides a savory foundation, while the honey adds a touch of natural sweetness that enhances the overall flavor profile. One cannot discuss artisanal cheese without mentioning the skilled artisans who dedicate their lives to the craft. These individuals possess an intimate understanding of the ingredients they work with and possess a level of expertise that comes from years of experience. From the selection of the finest milk to the precise temperature control during the aging process, every step is executed with care and expertise. These artisans are the custodians of a tradition that spans generations, and their dedication is evident in the quality of the final product. Similarly, beekeepers play a vital role in the production of artisanal honey. They have an innate understanding of the bees, their behavior, and their needs. They carefully tend to the hives, ensuring the health and well-being of the bees, while also maintaining a delicate balance with the surrounding ecosystem. This symbiotic relationship ultimately produces honey of unparalleled quality. Beyond the delectable taste and craftsmanship, artisanal cheese and honey offer a glimpse into a more sustainable and responsible way of food production. The small-scale and localized nature of artisanal production allows for a closer connection with the land and a reduced impact on the environment. Each wheel of cheese and jar of honey supports the livelihood of local farmers and beekeepers, contributing to the preservation of traditional practices and the cultural heritage of a region. Furthermore, artisanal cheese and honey are often produced using organic or sustainable methods. The emphasis on quality and authenticity extends beyond flavor, ensuring that the products are free from chemicals and additives. By choosing these artisanal products, consumers can feel more connected to the food they consume, knowing that it is both delicious and produced with respect for nature. In recent years, there has been a revival of interest in artisanal food products, including cheese and honey. People are becoming more conscious of what they eat and are seeking out products that offer a true sensory experience. Artisanal cheese and honey fit the bill perfectly, offering an opportunity to savor the flavors of nature, support local producers, and indulge in a time-honored tradition. So, the next time you find yourself in search of a gastronomic adventure, consider exploring the diverse world of artisanal cheese and honey. Artisanal cheese and honey are a match made in culinary heaven. These two handcrafted products offer a depth of flavor and a connection to the environment that is truly unparalleled. Artisanal cheese. Made using traditional methods, showcases the skill and artistry of cheesemakers. Each roll of cheese is unique and represents the terroir and expertise that goes into its creation. Likewise, hone. Why produced by small-scale beekeepers offers a rich flavor profile that reflects the local flora and the care taken in its production. What distinguishes artisanal cheese and honey is not only the way they are made, but also the strong link they have with the environment. The plants and herbs that cows or goats forage on influence tea. He flavors an artisanal cheese, while the nectar from local flowers shapes the taste of honey. This connection to the land creates a sense of authenticity and harmony between these two culinary delights. HTS. When artisanal cheese is paired with different varieties of honey, the result is a symphony of complementary flavors. The versatility of cheese allows it to be matched with various honey types, creating a range of taste experiences. From the interplay of sharp aged cheeses with floral honeys to the balance of creamy soft cheeses with richer, darker honeys, the combination of cheese and honey is truly delightful. Honey adds a touch of natural sweetness and enhances the overall flavor profile, while cheese provides a savory foundation. The meticulous craftsmanship behind artisanal cheese and honey cannot be overlooked. The skilled artisans who dedicate their lives to these crafts possess an understanding and expertise that comes from years of experience. Cheese artisans select the finest milk and carefully control the aging process to ensure the highest quality. Beekeepers, on the other hand, have an innate understanding of bees, their behavior, and their needs. They tend to the hives with care, maintaining the health and well-being of the bees, and in turn, yielding honey of exceptional quality. These artisans and beekeepers are the custodians of timeless traditions, and their commitment is evident in the exceptional products they create. Artisanal cheese and honey also offer a more sustainable and responsible approach to food production. Their small-scale and localized nature fosters a closer connection to the land and reduces the impact on the environment. By supporting local farmers and beekeepers, consumers contribute to the preservation of traditional practices and the cultural heritage of a region. Additionally, many artisanal cheese and honey producers embrace organic or sustainable methods, ensuring that their products are free from chemicals and additives. Choosing artisanal products not only allows consumers to savor delicious flavors but also encourages a deeper connection to the food they consume and the environment. In recent times, there has been a resurgence of interest in artisanal food products, cheese and honey included. People are increasingly conscious of what they eat and are seeking products that offer a genuine sensory experience. Artisanal cheese and honey perfectly satisfy these desires, offering an opportunity to indulge in nature's flavors, support local producers, and enjoy time-honored traditions. So, if you are on the lookout for a gastronomic adventure, do not hesitate to explore the diverse world of artisanal cheese and honey. Artisanal cheese and honey are more than just culinary delights, they are a celebration of the artistry and craftsmanship behind traditional food production. Unlike processed and mass-produced natives, artisanal cheese and honey are made using time-honored methods that have been passed down through generations. This dedication to tradition and authenticity is reflected in the rich flavors and unique characteristics of these handcrafted products. Artisanal cheese is created using techniques that have been developed and perfected over centuries. The cheesemakers carefully select the finest ingredients, from the milk to the cultures used for fermentation. Each step of the cheese-making process is executed with precision and care, ensuring that every wheel of cheese is a testament to the skill and expertise of the cheesemaker. The result is a product that is bursting with flavor and complexity, far surpassing the blandness often associated with mass-produced cheese. Similarly, artisanal honey is the product of meticulous craftsmanship and reverence for the bees and their environment. Small-scale beekeepers understand the behavior and needs of their bees, carefully tending to the hives and ensuring their health and well-being. This intimate knowledge of the bees allows beekeepers to cultivate honey that is rich in nutrients and free from artificial flavors or additives. The result is a honey that not only tastes exquisite but also reflects the unique characteristics of the local flora and ecosystem. What sets artisanal cheese and honey apart is the close connection they have with the environment. Both products are influenced by the natural surroundings in which they are crafted. The plants and